So, if you're a producer like me and you make any kind of Christian music, worship music, praise music, one of the biggest trouble spots for you is probably making drums that actually sound good. I actually play the drums on an almost weekly basis. That's one of the ways that I actually serve in my church. So I'm playing on Sundays, but here in my house, I actually don't have a drum kit. Then your options basically are, okay, do I hire a drummer? Well, that drives your cost up pretty significantly. Do I only use samples or only use loops? Well, they don't sound very realistic. And loops, what if they're not playing what you want them to play? Or do I invest in a drum kit and mics and try to figure out how to mix it and play it and make it sound good in whatever room that you've got? Well, again, that drives your costs up significantly, and it's probably going to take you years to be able to figure that out. Well, today, I think I might have solved your problems with the ultimate worship MIDI drum pack. In this pack are 50 MIDI sequences that I have hand played and handcrafted. They are bringing realism, they're bringing accurate sounding drums to today's modern Christian music and worship music and praise music that you hear in church, that you hear on the radio. And it fits any DAW, it fits any tempo, it fits any drum kit. I did all of these on Logic stock drum kit actually, and they sound great. But this is a way for you to, at a low cost, have realistic sounding drums that can fit anything that you want them to do. They're completely customizable. If you don't like where a snare sits, you can just move it. And I'm just really excited about this. There's 50 different sounds, and we're gonna hop into the DAW and I wanna show you what they sound like. In the pack, there are 50 different MIDI files. So what you are getting, tom grooves. We start out with tom grooves. We actually have 10 tom grooves. If you're playing any kind of Christian music, you've got to have tom grooves. Then we have closed hat grooves. We have 10 more of those. Then we have open hat grooves, 10 more of those. And I try to just do a lot of different things, references to Elevation Rhythm, Phil Wickham. I try to do a lot of different stuff in there. Then we have ride grooves. There were 6 of those. Then we have builds. Again, kind of like the tom grooves. If you're doing any kind of Christian music, you've got to have builds. There's cymbal washes. There's stuff, the tom and the snare, all kinds of different stuff. There's 10 of those. And then added in some fills for good measure. There's 4 of those. I did most of these around 75 BPM. It works at any BPM, and that's the beauty of it. When you drag it in, there's no stretching the audio. There's no trying to change things around or convert things. It's MIDI. It's going to fit exactly whatever the tempo is that you had in mind, and then you can see if it works. If not, choose a different one. You can do so much with this. So let's start with just the very first preset, or the very first MIDI file is called Tom Foundation. It sounds like this. And to show you exactly what I'm talking about, let's say that's a little bit fast. If you're starting out, you haven't picked a BPM, and you're like, man, that feels a little bit quick. Okay, just pull it down. Pull it down more. Too slow, maybe. And it never loses that realism because it is MIDI. A lot of the time, the kick is perfectly on the grid, and when you buy the pack, you'll see that. But then a lot of the other stuff may not necessarily be perfectly on the grid. All of the velocities, as you can kind of see in here, all of the velocities are completely different. Again, adding that realism and that touch of actually playing it so that you don't have to. So there's our tom foundations. Let's hear another one. Let's add some instruments in there, just piano and a bass. That could be the start of your song. There's your intro right there, done. This is my actually drum preset. The link will be in the description for that separately if you like just the sound of this, but the MIDI files are gonna work no matter what drum kit you have, and I think you're really gonna love it. And I don't want you to make this same mistake, but as a drummer, I have a decent understanding of what a drummer is physically able to play and what a drummer is physically unable to play. And I will watch production videos on YouTube and see producers all the time that clearly are not drummers, and which that's fine, but then you've got to make sure that like your fills and what you're adding in is not so much that it just sounds absurd, because then it's like, wait a minute, something about this is off, even the average listener. So in this one, this is Phil Wickham style 2. It's in the closed hat grooves. Check this out. So it's a very simple drum beat, but what I want to point out to you is that here is our closed hat. And you'll notice there it cuts out. The reason why it cuts out is, and you can watch me, as somebody would be playing this, your hand has to come off of that hi-hat to do the da-da-da. That's 3 hits that you go left, right, left. And your right hand cannot continue. But I know, I've watched producers where they just continue this note right here. And you may be like, that's really not a big deal. But over an entire song, and when you're doing that and messing that up in every single fill, in all the choruses and the bridges all over the place, it starts to add up to where you're like, something is not right. It doesn't sound right. And this is the reason why. That's the little stuff that I've taken care of for you when you get this MIDI pack. Lastly, the last thing I want to do is just show some of the rest of what you're getting. So open hat grooves, you get something like this that is very upbeat, as it says. Same thing there. The hi-hat comes out because I just feel like I have an understanding. Cool hits thing, and rhythm. We have mixed in toms like this. Okay. That's a chorus, just ready-made, just drag and drop. Of course, you start out with a cymbal wash. And again, I think these sound pretty realistic. And then boom, you'd go into a groove right there. 3 cymbal washes. Who Else is a song that has great drums in it, and I did a groove similar. Syncopated build. There you have it. If you have any questions about the 50 different MIDI tracks and the MIDI files and what you're getting, please let me know. I will respond to every single one. Right now, the pack is on sale for $20. The link is in the description below. And for 50 different MIDI files, I feel like that's a pretty good deal. And what you're getting, again, a lot of drum packs have, 75 BPM, 85, 95, 105, 115. This already is made and ready to go into every single one of those. So it's like, instead of 50, it's almost like you're getting stuff that works on 5 different versions of that. Like 250, right? Different MIDI files. It's so versatile. It sounds realistic. It sounds great with any DAW, any drum kit that you already have. And I think this would be a great weapon in your arsenal of making some awesome sounding drums in some awesome sounding songs that glorify the Lord. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, any questions, please feel free to let me know.